In this video, we're going to show you how to install and sign into my ViewBoard Whiteboard. This app is available on your laptop and desktop, which makes it very easy for you to connect to your whiteboard and use it in either location. So we're going to start by going to Software Center. You can find Software Center by clicking the little magnifying glass at the bottom of your taskbar. Then you'll type in Software Center. This app should show up right at the top. You'll click on it and Software Center will open. And then we'll scroll down, or you can use this search up here to look for Whiteboard. You're looking for My ViewBoard Whiteboard, and then we'll click Install. Once the software has installed, you'll double click to open the program. We recommend right-clicking on the icon and pinning it to your taskbar as well. From here, you'll see that I am being asked to sign in and activate my software. So I'm just going to click Activate here, type in my email address. Be sure to use your TSC email. If asked if you want to install the newest version, you're going to click No. Now I'm going to come back to my software, and down at the bottom, we have host information. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on this Google sign-on. I'll be asked to sign in with Google. Once I've successfully signed in, I am able to close this window and come back to my whiteboard. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our other videos for more information about how to use my ViewBoard Whiteboard.